Hey everybody. Okay, so this video this is for the ladies. Ladies. Now, a while ago I made a natural Yoni steam. The steam was so natural it was able to be used as a tea. Now I guess you could say I'm kind of rebranding it. I'm deciding to go ahead and use it as a tincture and call it poom poom tea, little poom poom magic. So I don't think I talked about the actual herbs that I use. However, I decided to go ahead and use a packet, and I'm excited to make a tincture of this week. And stay tuned. Yes, there it is in all its glory. But anyway, so I'm going to basically clean my jars really, really good. Again, this is for personal use. Now, if I was, selling it, I would definitely have gloves. My setup would be totally different, but this is mine, and this is for educational purposes only. Anyways, I'm going to clean this up very, very good inside and out. I'm going to use my Yoni tea that I have, Poom Poom Magic, and I'm going to go ahead and use this entire packet, okay? Because I want it to be, I had a little bit left in it, and I said, well, just go ahead and use the rest. But anyway, I want it to be very potent because this is the first time I'm making a tincture out of this. And again, I will be using the entire thing. I want to say it's measures as an ounce, but however, it fills the jar pretty good, halfway, maybe close to 3/4. But anyway, I'm going to use my 80 proof vodka that I have. And this is just going to make it a little bit more potent. So yeah, of course, if you use more herbs, it's going to make it, a bit stronger. And the longer you let it sit, it's going to make it stronger as well. But anyway, I'll normally wait at least 6 weeks before I do a taste test on all of my tinctures. But yeah, this is it. And everything is clean. And I'm going to jar it up. That's it. And I did make some labels. That way I can keep up with the different ones that I made. And yeah, that's about it. Now, these labels, I found them, I believe they were on Amazon.com. And it came from Online Labels, if I'm not mistaken. I had quite a few of them left over, so I decided to go ahead and use them for this project. So yeah, there it is, my Poom Poom tincture. You can use whatever you like using the herbal blends that you have.